Today, we're diving into the advanced tech behind Hyundai XTeer's G700 engine oil.
Today's turbocharged engines are under some serious stress. So, is your oil up to the job?
Well, here's Hyundai's answer. It's engineered with advanced Korean tech for premium cars like yours. Okay, so here's the enemy. Deposits and sludge. They're silent performance killers in modern engines.
And this is huge. XTeer G700 actually slashes those harmful deposits by more than 50%.
So how does it do that? Well, this isn't just a claim, it's certified next-gen protection.
First up, it meets the API SP standard. That's the toughest protection out there against engine wear.
And it's also got ILSEC GF6A, which is all about fuel economy and protecting your turbo.
But it's not just about standards, right? It's how it performs when things get really hot.
Check out this number, 256 degrees Celsius. That's the flash point for the 20W40.
That's a class-leading figure. It means this oil has extreme heat resistance, even when pushed hard.
And you can see it right here. That high performance is consistent across the entire G700 lineup.
So you put it side by side with conventional oil, and yeah, the difference is pretty clear.
And remember, this technology comes straight from Hyundai Oil Bank, so you know the quality is there.
So what does this all mean for you? Better performance, less fuel use, and total protection.
This really isn't just about maintenance. It's about giving your engine a serious performance upgrade.